Okay, last chapter about the UAV business application and cases. UAV means unmanned aerial vehicles. Sometimes we also call it drone. Drone. Huawei X Lab has a research that is below 120 meters. It is safe for the UAV. If below this altitude, it can transmit the video with reliable quality, no problem. Okay, if it's more than this altitude, there is more interference. Okay, signal is not good. Okay, and another very dangerous thing is that this vehicle may be out of the control. Maybe we may lost the control of the UAV. It may lost in the air. You cannot control it to fly back if the altitude is more than 120 meters. Okay, so this is the current situation. And there is one research by 3GPP. For the UAV, the delay needed is 50 milliseconds, and the bandwidth needed is 50 megabit per second, and the reliability is 99.99% reliability. So this is a technical requirement for the communication. And for the traditional network, the network is having coverage facing downwards, traditional network. Okay. And if you want to cover upwards, it has to make an antenna facing upwards. But if the antenna is installed facing upwards, then the downwards communication will be worse. Okay, so it's not suitable for this UAV communication for the traditional network, like 4G. But for 5G, we have 3D MIMO, massive MIMO, 3D MIMO. It means that we can form the beam forming. This antenna is installed vertically, but it can form the beam facing upwards. It's more suitable for this kind of communication, okay, for 5G. And in the future, maybe UAV can be one way of our transportation. So this is about the requirement of the UAV. And the UAV industry now is also increasing quickly. It will have 2 billion, okay, of market in the year of 2021. And a lot of countries, government also is pushing the development. Okay. And this is about where this UAV are used. Okay. Most of the UAV are used in industries. Okay. Private UAV usage is less, okay, compared with the industry. And among all the industries, most of it is for agriculture. Okay, agriculture, forestry, security, and electric power industries. We take the main market share of the UAV. Okay, besides the UAV, the low cost of 5G link will also drive the AI camera. Camera is similar to UAV. Just the UAV is flying. Okay, the camera is fixed, installed someplace, but their service type is the same. They need the broadband for video surveillance, and also this market is also increasing rapidly. And every year it has around 8% of the increasing market, increasing 8% every year. And the development is that by the year of 2010 or before, analog cameras, and from year 2013, it's digital cameras, and after year 2016, AI cameras. This camera with AI function inside it. Okay. So the camera needs to send the data back, okay, through the network. But the network may be fiber or wireless. If the solution is using fiber, if the area is lack of fiber, then each camera's connection will cost around $420. just for one camera. It's big money. Okay. And if there is fiber, then this cost will be 42. But using wireless, it's only around $20 for each camera. So the wireless solution for the camera is the most economic way. And here is about the capacity of 5G for camera. This is the camera resolution, 720p or 1080p or 4K for the resolution. And here is the capacity in one cell. One cell can cover 165 cameras in such resolution using 3.5G C-band, right? Okay, and using millimeter wave, even bigger. Okay. So for the intelligent camera, 5G can save big cost for the transmission of data. So that is all of these business cases introduced in our class. Brief summary. In this class, we have introduced the development, and we got known that 5G development is very fast. Second is, for the vertical industry, our top priority for 5G development, not only the terminal users, not the personal consumers, but also industry will take even bigger market share of 5G. And EMBB will be the first wave of 5G development. Okay, so much for this class. Thank you very much.